Hello, hello. Back at math. Here we go. Okay, let's just get started. We've got ourselves some more counting. Okay, now take a look because we've got a number that's colored yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and get like a blue. How about blue? Okay, and we're going to be counting by tens and ones. It's going to be tricky, but I know you can do it. Here we go. The first one, we're starting on a 3, and the second one, we're starting on a 3. But the first one, we're just going to count 15 steps. Watch this. This is number 3. We're going to count 15 times. Get nice and close, so that we can see it. Here we go. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you see how I did that? I started right here on number 3, and then I counted 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got to number 18. This time, I want to see if we can get to number 18, not counting just by ones, because I had to count 15 steps. If I'm counting 15 steps, that means I'm counting 10 and 5. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Are you ready? Watch this. Starting on number 3, I'm going to first count 10 steps. And 10 steps, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But look where I landed when I got to 10 steps. In the same line. The 10 steppers go up and down, kind of like an elevator. It helps you go faster, right? Than if you were to walk, 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 walk. The elevator sends you up and down pretty quick. Watch this. 10. That was so fast. I can count by tens by going up and down in a straight line. So I'm going to count 15 steps. But the first step I'm going to take is a 10 step, like this. 10. And what comes next? 5 ones. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got the same answer. But one of the times I counted, I had to count each square. And the other time I counted by tens first, and then added the ones. Oh, they're going to show us the same thing. So right here, we're going to start with the yellow number, number 22, and they're going to show us how to make 15 steps. Let's just count 15 steps. Ready, set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Phew! I can count to 15, but what if I did 15 steps and started with 1 10? Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I just count this much. Look at all these squares that I skipped. I didn't have to count all those squares because all I did was go down and count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do it again. This time, let's count. Oh, they're showing us. They're showing us how to count by tens by going down. We're going to count 14, okay? We're going to count 14. So I'm going to count 1 10, 10, and then 4 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gosh, that's quite a bit faster then counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's much faster if I can count by tens. Oh, practice for us. Okay, here we go. We're going to start on number 42. Let's count, oh my gosh, it's a big number. Let's count 21 steps. Now, 21 steps could take a while if we counted them by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Shoom! I had to count all the way to 21. Is there a way that I could do that faster? Maybe if I counted the tens first. If I go from here to here, that's 10. But this is 2 tens. It's 20. So I need another one. Watch this. 10, 20, 21. That was amazing. It was so fast. Look at this. 10, 20, 21. Now be careful, because when kids start counting like this, sometimes they touch the starting number and they say 10. Watch. 10, 20. If you touch the number that you start on and you say 10, did you add 10 more to the number? No, you stayed in the same place. In order to start counting, you have to move your finger like this. 10, 20, and then when I'm counting by ones, do I move down again and say 21? No, because that's tens. When I'm moving by ones right here, I have to move sideways like this. I have to move sideways. So I go 10, 20, and then sideways, 21, and I get to 63. Look over here. We're going to do 56. That's what this yellow number is, right? 5, 6 is 56, and we're going to count 15. We're going to count 15. Now, I could do 15 steps, but we know a faster way. We're going to start with 110. So I'm starting here, but that's not 10. That's my starting number. In order to count 10, I have to move. Does 10 go up and down or side to side? Because 10 is a lot, think about it like the elevator that's taking us up and down. Pretend this is like a big hotel. And to get to the rooms up and down, we take the elevator because they're far away, they're tens. But to get to our next door neighbors, we just walk, right? Because they're closer, so we don't need an elevator. So look at this. We're going from 56 and we have to go 15 more. So we go 56, we do 10. Aha! 10 more than 56 is 66. 66, we need 5 more. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We ran out of numbers. What do I do? Go to the next line. 15. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Same as this. My number is 71. I only had to count this many. If I were counting by ones, I would have had to do all of these. Because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But all those yellow boxes I just colored, we get to skip over those because we know how to count by 10. Let's do another one. Oh, a big one this time. We're going to do it by 27. 27 is a big number, but we're ready. So starting here, My number is 27. I always write it down just so that I have the number easily remembered. I've got 27. I'm starting on 72. To count 27, how many times am I going to go down in my straight line, like an elevator? Here's my answer. How many times do I need to go down? 2. So I'm going to start here. We need to go down 2 times. That's 10, 20. 10, 20. Now, how many times do I need to walk sideways? 7. Because we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Whoa! We got all the way to 99. And look, we just needed to move this much. That's a lot faster than if we were counting by ones. We would have had to count all of these. Look at all of these numbers that we got to skip because we know how to count by tens. Otherwise, we would have had to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. We can count by tens. It goes much faster. Watch this. We're going to do this one by 22. Starting on 63, we're going to count 22 times. How many times do I go down straight in the elevator? 10 because 2 times because we're doing 2 tens. Here's my camera over here. 2 tens. So I go down. Here's 10, 20. How many times do I go sideways? I go up 2 more times. Not up in the elevator, up in my numbers. So 83, and then I go 2 more numbers bigger. 22, 10, 20, 21, 22. Look how quick that was. It was like just a short little trip. Instead of going this whole way, it goes much faster when you learn how to count by tens. Okay, tricky, tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. You're going to need numbers to 40. Okay, see that? Numbers to 40. So on your piece of paper, you're going to need to count numbers to 40. You should do 1 to 10 across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to need to do the next numbers underneath. So it's 1, and then like this. So like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go all the way to 40 so that you have all of your numbers that come all the way down to 40. All of the numbers. So it looks just like this. Okay? You're going to need to pause and do that. When you're finished, come back to me. Make all your numbers to 40. Are you ready? Starting on number 7, you can color it yellow or you can circle it. That's fine. You're going to add 18. You need to count 18. Now, if you got your numbers in nice straight lines, it's going to be much easier because woof. This is going to be tricky. It's going to be very tricky because when you're going by your tens, you're going to want them to be in a straight line. If you need to start over and make your numbers one more time in nice straight lines so that they're all in boxes, you might want to do that, even though I know it probably took you a really long time to do it the first time. Look, my numbers are getting messy. Sorry, guys. Okay, you're going to start on number 7, and you need to add 18. Remember, 18 has 1 10. So you're going to use the elevator going down, going 1 10, and then 8 ones. You're going to have to try your best on this. I know it's tricky, but remember, practice will help. The more we practice, the more help you'll have to get better at this. Okay? Okay. Show me what you've got. I want to see it.